welcome to Star Stop. You're with me, Salil, and I have the heartthrobs of the nation. Yes, he is one too. She, of course, is, and he's in the mature segment. Fawad Khan. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much for joining me. So many rings on your hand today. Three rings, but Fawad, the quiet, reticent, but very fiery in the promo. You know, it's fantastic between the two of you. But I have to say, there's this. Is this you always? Very quiet? Is this your Pakistani flair? Because वैसे जो roles आप पाकिस्तान में करते हैं very powerful roles. So how are you? Are you a quiet, shy kind of person? Or just with people who you don't know who are asking you questions about
I really don't know myself. I think I have a multiple personality disorder.
Well, I thought you were going to say, I think I'm a wonderful personality.
I don't know what you're talking about. Excuse me.
Multiple personality disorder. Let's ask somebody else if they think so. Alia, do you think he has a multiple personality disorder?
Well, I have a multiple personality disorder, so I don't see there's anything wrong if somebody else has.
So two people who need a shrink. What about you?
Yeah, exactly. I was a very traumatic set, as you can see, with these two people who are different in different times.
What's so traumatic
about it? But what's so traumatic about it?
Does have like a
different side to him. Like at
so what is the different side?
The first night off, the first holiday, and he's like, "Yeah, Fawad, Aja, we're just going to the holiday." That's a national holiday. The holiday on set, like the off day, next off day. We called him, Shakun, me, I called him to the AD's room and everything, AD's hotel. And
see, you have to understand very carefully. The Stars Hotel and the ED's Hotel.
Because we didn't get place in their hotel.
I see.
But you have to understand very carefully that the cruise hotel is a better hotel. We wanted to go there.
No need for explanation.
We have gone there. It is the cooler places. So Ro has warmed up and we have created a monster. Uske baad usne 5 baje se 6 baje tak sone nahi diya. We've gone, Shakun's gone to his room.
Is he a gossipy queen? No.
No.
He's a party guy. He's woken up Shakun from his sleep, not once but twice, and we've all barged in and poor Shakun tossed him out of bed and then partied with us till 6 in the morning. All because of this man here on the first night.
Was the call time delayed after that?
He didn't come next day. He refuses also. That multiple disorder is...
Kapoor and Sons, lots of disorders on the set. But universally, people have sort of liked the promo, which is...
Yeah, so
but I tell you what, something. This is a very tricky scenario these days. If they like the promo too much, then they say, "Arey, picture mein lagta hai kuch nahi hai, sab kuch promo mein dal diya," right? The second thing, if the promo doesn't reveal too much, they say, obviously they're not promoting it enough because they don't think there's enough in the film. Now, both of you all are coming off tough films, let's put it this way. I loved Brothers, and I think that both of you did a fantastic job. And I was rather shocked that it didn't do so well. You know, people have a very strange way of accepting things. You are coming off...
You don't have to say anything about loving or not loving. I understand your sentiment.
First time in your life.
You can skip off that.
No, but you weren't... See, you still come unscathed. How do you feel about that? The whole house comes crashing down, but you walk away like, like off your back.
No,
yeah,
I don't think so. No. It affected everybody that was involved in that.
Did it affect you at all? So how many hours were spent in getting affected?
No, I was depressed. I was going through a breakup. It felt like that. It was weird because I never felt that before. I don't know what it is like for a film not to do it. I had not known until that time. So it was the first time I was dealing with it, but I think I dealt with it really well. And I'm really happy that it happened because it was like ripping off the band-aid. I needed to know what it felt like, and it's very simple. Now I've got it. Good film will do well. Bad film will not do well. Simple.
Introspection is far easier later on in life. And you, my friend, have done just that one film, but are very high on the radar of everybody all the time. So did Khoobsurat, so it wasn't like this runaway blockbuster success. Okay, it was a nice film. It was a sweet film. But I never expected so much to happen for you after that, and a lot did. So were you surprised?
I'm always surprised, yeah. I'm always surprised. I'm surprised to be in this profession in the first place. And yeah, to be doing moderately well. So, yeah, I'm very thankful to the people. How they've responded to
doing moderately well. You're very high on the radar of a number of people. Apart from the physicality of you, even other things, a lot of people have actually come forward. And that doesn't necessarily happen with the first film. They would know, they burst onto the scene and suddenly they had a lot coming their way. But most actors haven't actually had that with a film that is not a runaway success. So thereafter, were you a little bit choosy? Did you suddenly have to think about Bollywood as your mainstream career?
I would say I was choosy, but I'm generally very choosy that way because I feel that I'd like to paste my my graph in a certain way, career graph. And yeah, so for the longest time I did not do anything because I think I was waiting for something like this. The way I see it is that in Khoobsurat,
I was just kind of testing the waters. And in Kapoor and Sons, I get to at least somewhat use what I feel is my, the best of my abilities, to at least warm up and become a bit more confident. Because hota to hai ye, you will go anywhere else in the world, so aap thoda sa you're on the back foot just trying to test ki yaar logon ko kya lagta hai, kaisa lagta hai, acha lagta hai. Before that, I think you need to just warm up yourself. So this film has done more than just warming up. I guess now I'm more geared to do a lot of stuff that can be thrown at me.
Still very cautious.
Yeah.
But you coming from such a background where, let's just put it this way, you all never respected Indian television. Because Pakistani television was considered to be there and we were considered here.
Yeah.
So when you came here, did you, I don't think you have any malice.
You all gone. You all gone. You're saying you're blaming us?
Indians. Indian television and Pakistani television. Let's put it that way. See, when I was, from the time I was born, I was told ki, ye dekho, isko kehte hain plays, Pakistani television, even music. So as such, even though the exposure wasn't as much, still the quality was very, very high. And then when it started coming on Indian television series, on a channel, things suddenly changed once again. So have you started watching Indian television now, and do you compare once in a while in your mind?
No, not really. And secondly, I think the comparison is unfair. Yeah, I don't generally watch television that much. Anything and everything is on a USB or on a DVD, whatever I'd like to watch. So, इतना जो ज़्यादा देखने को नहीं मिलता कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. Once in a while, if it's on, I'll watch. But I feel that that comparison is unfair. Why? Because India has had a very big film industry, so that takes a very big chunk away to perform. So people, if they want to like do something that's worth 2 hours, 3 hours of screen time, they'll go to a film. Otherwise, because television here, generally what is running on television is television soaps.
Correct.
And that soap format is followed in Pakistan as well. What we had, I think, maybe because of the unfortunate demise of cinema for the longest while, it allowed television to progress into many other directions.
Correct.
But you all have such progressive television.
Yeah.
So
Fantastic
Since
television.
the early ages,
Yes,
remember
completely. That's what I'm
North
saying.
India,
From the time I was in the 80s when I was born, I was told that
That's what I'm talking about.
See, that's when the demise of Pakistani cinema had started.
Okay.
And it kind of went into the background. So जब आपके पास बचता क्या है? सिर्फ the only form of visual entertainment left is either theatre or television. अब television के अंदर directors would like to अपनी उठार पूरी करेंगे. They'll make film for TV as well. They'll make mini-series. They'll make television series. And then they'll also make soaps. But that is not happening on Indian television. So I think to compare कि वो serial, पहली बात तो आप लोग serial नहीं बनाते, आप लोग soaps बनाते हो. I feel that is, no, but it's true,
हम रुलाते हैं सिर्फ और रुलाते ही रह जाते हैं.
So I think that comparison is sort of unfair. But having said that, yeah, our television
He's such a great ambassador for Pakistan. He says all the right things. Have you been like this in school as well also? Does he always say the right things everywhere?
Yeah, I was on the debating team.
Really? But even you say the right things everywhere, but you're a little bit less.
He thinks I'm the most diplomatic.
I think he's completely diplomatic. Now, if I had to ask you this question...
Ask her. Am I the most diplomatic? Who's the most diplomatic?
You've seen so many people in Bollywood now. Would you say that he says the right things all the time?
No.
Really?
He, in fact,
I've
is the
gotten into trouble saying wrong things.
He is the least
Politically
diplomatic
correct?
person. The reason he does not speak also is because if he does, he'll say what he's thinking. And so he'd rather not say what he's thinking, which is why he keeps quiet and doesn't come up, he doesn't always have an answer. That's the reason. The reason he doesn't have an answer is because he doesn't want to tell the truth.
So that pause that is there, people think that they want to
It's a filter. Okay, keep quiet, change your answer.
You've seen her grow as a star. Suddenly she's become this Alia Bhatt,
Yeah.
this big star. We all thought she would become this big star. And we thought more than both of you as well. Both Varun and you, we thought she would be the first star. And she did.
She did.
Now, how has she changed?
Oh, lots, I think.
First tell me professionally and then personally.
I think now doing scenes with her, there's far more space to play around with. Because we were so nervous in our first film, that we were just, as she says, remembering our lines and trying to, just say them correctly, which I still do. But she's moved on. I think she's got a nice sur where she can improvise, make it look extremely natural, effortless. And Hindi is improved. Hindi was a problem
I was just
before.
going to say, yeah. Because now that you talk about lines, so lots of classes or what?
No.
No, no?
I just do exactly.
You don't rehearse, no? Much?
I do what the other person wants to do.
You do what the other person wants to do?
Yeah, I don't have anything. Don't want to rehearse. Little bit 1, 2, the director wants to, but there's some directors who don't want to rehearse at all. So I don't mind doing that also. Sometimes that's also fun.
But there's no fear factor. What if you don't perform?
But it'll take again. It's not like it's a play. It's fine. Like, there's no stress. If somebody else wants to rehearse, I don't mind rehearsing. I'm open to both. I don't like, what I don't like is if if I'm confined in a space where I'm told that you have to come and stop here and then you have to pick up this prop, that's what I don't like, because then I'm thinking too much about the activity. If I do it myself, then I'll continue it in all my continuity shots and I'll continue it from the white clothes, made this thing, that thing, I'll do it. But if somebody's telling me to do it, then I may get a little thrown off. That's the only thing I don't like.
So professionally, she's become the king now. What about personally?
Yeah,
What about personally? Has everything changed now? Does she want everything just her way? She looks to be like she's got a bit of a short fuse now.
No, I think she's just better organized now. She has everything from her water to her pillows to her food.
This
to
pillow
her
story is amazing.
knickknacks.
She carries her own pillow everywhere.
Everywhere.
Nice,
In a plane, in a car, in right now, maybe she doesn't need one right now, but her boy has one on standby. Her blankets come.
Her blankets.
Different blankets are there for
They gotta
different...
smell nice, right?
Yeah, smell nice, feel different weather.
I'm sorry. I
But it's
feel
cute.
cold.
And it's good. She's
But
well
she's
sorted
a cute,
personally.
sweet diva
Definitely,
then. Not a bad
Yeah,
diva.
not a bad one. You won't feel... She's not being nasty.
Yeah,
She's just
yeah.
being like...
I'm just a little particular.
Neurotic.
So are you Monica then? From Friends?
Yeah.
You know,
can
actually
say
she
that.
is. People think she's really cool. She is very finicky.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Like,
you can say
it's
that.
fully like
I am.
Monica,
I'm a
like
little
cleanness,
finicky. I'm not finicky about
clean
the
that.
things that you would be like, oh, mera ye, oh, crease, oh, this. I'm not finicky about the chicky things, but I'm finicky about little things that I want, like done a certain way, because I'm very used to I'm very attached person to my habits and to the people in my life and to my habits. So I don't like changing those things. My coffee does not taste the same in the morning. I will not
बदल गई अभी
scream, please.
इसको
But
लग
I
गया
will
चस्का.
not scream, I'll start crying.
You start crying?
Yeah, that's
That
the
is
first
worse,
thing.
because your makeup will also go there.
But my
another
The
3
guy
hours
feels even
gone.
worse. His boy.
my instant thing is tears.
Okay, so Siddharth, how much has he changed?
Oh, he's changed a lot. I mean, also during student of the year, we weren't we didn't hang out as much. We hang
Correct,
out
yeah.
much more now. From that time, even from far away, I could tell or whatever I knew of Sid was. But also now, he's that. But I just know him really well now.
Yeah,
so I would not earlier he would annoy me. Now it's sweet.
Wow.
Because also he's just as a person, as an actor, both. I feel opened up so much more. Like he's just relaxed. Earlier he was so in his head. He's still in his head every now and then. But now he just wants to just do good work and he's just happy and he's just like, okay, karte hai yaar, but Punjabi wala jo vibe aata na, make
This
a
is the most
happy
relaxed I've
actor.
ever seen him, actually. That's
He's
true.
very relaxed. What's changed in your life? Why are you so happy?
You walk into this trio, Shakun, Alia, Siddharth, they know each other really well. Did you feel for even half a second? Actually, Rishiji also. You know, Rishiji actually doesn't matter where he is also, he'll make it his own. But you walk into... Did you feel like an outsider for half a second?
He was Rishiji's most favorite, by the way. हम लोग तो कुछ भी नहीं थे घर की मुर्गी.
Yeah, he welcomed me into the fold.
And yes, welcome माने attention. Fawaz,
Yeah.
tell us about food there. Tell us about वो तो वहाँ पे
मेरा
कबाब
बेटा,
खाए
आजा.
तभी भी है कि नहीं है. अच्छा तूने वो पिक्चर देखी है क्या?
मुझे
अरे
पता है
मैंने
ना
वो
कि
तेरा
पिछले
serial देखा
अगले
है.
2 दिन में जो ऋषि सर is joining us और इनको सारा
you will
पता
say it
लगेगा.
or not
Marketer will tell them सारी क्या बातें
He'll
हैं.
only be talking to you anyways. He won't be talking to us anyways.
Why? It's
No, he'll talk to you.
So, did you have even a day when you suddenly felt, it's not about, see, even when Sachin Tendulkar comes to bat, okay, so he's batting out there, the first run is always a little bit edgy, right? You're a little bit nervous.
Tentative,
out there.
yeah.
The first run. So the first scene on a new set, do you feel any nerves at all?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
Obviously, I do. Always.
So breaking of the ice, was it that scene? एक बारी scene अच्छा हो गया then?
एक था एक scene हमने किया था, मैंने सिद्धार्थ ने किया था. I think that was, although उससे पहले ice break हो चुकी हुई थी, but I think we kind of sort of established the जिसको क्या कहते हैं, sort of the film.
हाँ.
In that one scene,
And there's also
one
that
night.
space, he's
Between
got his
brothers.
A game here, I've also got my A game here. वो भी होता है
Yeah.
ना?
No, but I feel that, अच्छा, the interesting thing is कि एक तो होता है ना कि when you're come onto a set, a lot of the times, you kind of कि मैं अपनी गेम में कब आऊँगा, अगला के आने से पहले मैं अपनी गेम में आ जाऊँ. यहाँ पे was more about coming together.
Correct, yeah.
कि यार एक साथ पे, we kick it off. And there was this one night where we were on this, मतलब वो भाई जो हैं, they're bunking together the night in the same room, ठीक है ना? Because there's guests in the house or something like that. And उस scene को shoot करते करते, we just kind of just went into this laughing fit, ठीक है ना? जिसमें गालम गलोच चल रही है, सब कुछ चल रहा है. And that's when I think, I realized for the first time कि हाँ ठीक है, relax, chill.
And this was very early in the piece, huh?
Like
The
a
first
third day
few
of
days.
shoot, third or fourth day,
In
fourth
Kunur.
night.
Huh.
In
Did,
Kunur.
did you ever get irritated? They'll not tell me, but did you get irritated with the two of them?
With the two of
Or
them?
with somebody on the set?
नहीं.
Yeah, actually, he'll not say also. Na?
Yeah.
No, I did not. Irritate में सिर्फ तब होता था, जो कि बात सच भी है, and I think we wrote about it the other days, when जब shot का reset होता है. Resets take the longest time, and at
But
that time
patience
it's
is
just
the
like,
one thing that an actor has to learn.
man.
You're not paid for your acting, you're paid for how much
Correct,
time you
correct.
have to waste.
How much
Yeah.
So first you want me to say that, get caught in the mousetrap,
No,
and now you're...
I never said any traps. You know me. It's just like a free word. Sometimes I forget we're actually talking about a film. You're the social media queen. You know, you're completely out there. Actually, I have to credit this to Sonam Kapoor also. You know, with she also uses it very well with Prem Ratan Dhan Paya. By the way, do you? I remember how very protective she was of you during Khoobsurat. Do you sometimes chat with her and discuss things? You know, lots of things happening in her life also.
Yeah, we chat off and on, and I think bringing that thing up, what you're talking about, that I've always, you told Sonam the other day, I was like, maybe you should open up your consultancy, you know, for online
Social
PR and
media.
marketing, because both the sisters, they come up with these amazing ideas every time. Amazing ideas every time. And similarly for Neerja, what she's been doing, I think that's a fantastic thing. So, yeah, we chat off and on, and I just found out, in fact, Sadaf told me, because I was constantly on the move, that, you know, it had recently crossed the 100 crore mark worldwide, which is a great accomplishment for Neerja. And so I sent her a message as well, and she's like, have you still watched the film? I was like, no, I've not yet had the chance to watch the film because I've been constantly on the run. But
I'm sure there'll be a special screening on the day of release of Kapoor and Sons. That's a special day only.
And we'll do the same for her, vice versa.
But tell me, social media, is it too much pressure?
No, I mean...
You, I know, are very chilled out about it. But for you, is there social media pressure sometimes to stay in the game?
People have been telling me that, but I don't feel like there's any need to. I think because it's all temporary.
Yeah.
Any kind of praise that you get or any kind of criticism also keeps changing every Friday or every second month. So I've been told I should be more active, but I don't know.
Do you block it out sometimes? Were you able to block out after Shandar? There I said the name of the film.
Yeah.
Were you able to block out after Shandar? I don't think there was too much negativity about you, but
No.
did you?
I blocked it out. I couldn't do it.
Yeah?
I couldn't do it.
So you didn't even open social media during that time? Really?
For a really long time I didn't actually. Not, or maybe once in a while I used to go to Instagram to see other people's lives. But that also I didn't want to see. I didn't want to see anything.
It's also become very addictive, man. It's a thing that
but it
consumes
is for
so much
me.
of your time. I feel we could do something else.
But which is why during Udta Punjab I completely cut off. I didn't take my I kept it at home. I took one random phone just for a number so my mother could get in touch with me, my family could speak to me. That's it. And I just completely went off it.
I think sometimes, yes, it does close in on you. But for this film, I think because it's been so positive, it's fun. You go out there.
But then it's a win-win.
That's with everything, right? Yeah.
It's a win-win. Yeah,
working,
when
nobody's
want,
complaining,
Yeah,
so.
you want to love it, you love it. When you want to hate it, you hate it. I just think it can't become a part of your life where you can't you have to depend fully on it. And it also should not be your only barometer to gauge.
Yeah.
I know digital's become huge right now. The social media space is a great platform to understand how many followers, this is that, and you're constantly doing these tests. But I don't feel like it's the barometer to gauge the reach of your film. Just before, because it's trending.
Yeah.
You have to.
See, that trending
Especially
thing is
in
such
India.
nonsense, man. Because I'll tell you how many tweets you need to trend in an hour. So when people say it's trending, so imagine what happens to people whose films don't trend. So they say, "Arey, ye to super flop ho gayi hai." But that is like that 1% that is there on Twitter. The rest of people don't even know what's going
Correct.
on.
Also,
That's exactly what
interiors
I'm
of
saying.
India are not online.
Yeah.
This is all our fan following abroad and everybody else from different countries.
Where have you seen the craziest fan following of yours?
I think people when they don't have any access to us. I think all the way towards US or when we get people from random countries. I got a letter that day from somebody wanted me. A father called me from Brazil. He was Brazilian,
Right.
and his daughter's birthday card was sent by courier, and I had to sign it. So it's just Hindi films don't release them, man.
Yeah, that's true.
And I think it's also thanks to social media. I feel look at what Priyanka Chopra is doing today. It's all thanks to that they know how big she is because it's about 10 or 11, 12 or million.
Yeah,
followers.
she's got like 13 million now.
Yeah, so I think they gauge somebody's popularity worldwide just by the number of followers they have.
Yeah, no, I guess it becomes tougher for the one rung or two rungs below your levels. Because there is, itne nahi hai, let's pay and get it done. Sometimes, sadly, that does happen. But that's the world over, man. Social media, the world over, becomes very invasive into your lives. If you had to choose between, okay, no, not between, who's really surprised you in the film, performance-wise?
No.
Let's reword it. Don't say Rishiji.
Honestly, genuinely, it was both. Like, I am not saying it for no reason because I really feel like I've not seen Khoobsurat, sorry, but I've not seen any acting
Oh,
before
you've
that.
not seen Khoobsurat. So in the 3 months that you were shooting, you never showed them the film. And you never asked him to see the film.
No.
But do you do that on a film set? I don't think anyone does that.
You just,
don't really
don't you chat sometimes?
But actually, I was surprised when I started working with Fawad only. So when I did scenes with him, because I've worked with Sid before. But when I saw the film, I was very surprised with Sid because usually what happens is, if you're constantly on set, you know what the actor's doing. I was not always in all the scenes, so I didn't know what he's done with certain scenes. And I found that's why what I mean by him being open. He's just suddenly like, I can see how he speaks to me in normal daily life. He's speaking the same way on camera.
Yeah, I'm saying, I've never seen you this open. It's like, pura darwaza khul gaya.
Arey, wow.
Sab andar bahar sab ho gaya.
So genuinely, both of them surprised me. And Fawad, when I was doing the scenes with him only, I remember calling Karan up. I said, wow, Karan, I think I'm going to be much better in this film because he's really giving me a lot to work with.
That's high praise.
Yeah.
You know, I love her as a performer. You know, whenever I see her, I feel she tries to be so natural because she just doesn't try to like put on a persona. When you saw Alia, which is the first film that you saw her perform in?
Highway.
Would you say that just gave you like 4-star general category because of Highway?
I think because I was coming up student also, that Highway made a big difference because nobody really didn't see it coming.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't say that. But definitely, it's one of the films that
But I think like
will always
T
be.
and all were far tougher for you, and I love them more.
Yeah.
Because I feel like if you give a Revenant to a Leonardo DiCaprio,
Exactly.
you can perform a lot more there because it's written for you. But in a Catch Me If You Can, if he does perform, I like that a lot more.
But that's why I feel like the challenge lies in even in the comedy. I feel it's one of the most challenging parts to do. So it's not only like that would be the whatever 4-star.
general thing, yeah. But it's true. You've earned your stripes. You have to still earn your stripes.
We're still working.
Is there pressure on you?
No, I think there's pressure on us in general, regardless of what
But
the
this
other
is a
actors
little
are
more
doing.
comfortable, right? So you've got like heavyweights on all sides.
Exactly, so it helps. He says if you're on a good football team, it just ups your game, and that's what I felt with all these actors here, and all the other 3 actors that were not here.
Yeah.
So I think it's great. I've learned so much.
And you know, I'm loving the 3 of them together over here. Good luck. I don't think you're all going to need it on this one.
Thank you so much.
And I think social media will not be shunned for 3 days.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, buddy, for joining me. Like I said, the ladies, what age group loves you the most?
Age is just a number, my friend. And mature people,
Yes,
obviously,
all
like
his
me
friends
because they are mature.
and aunties, please listen.
Sab log.
Till the next time, I will see you soon. This is Salil Dalai.
About it.
But
What's your dramatic
Fawad
about?
does have
It's
like
also
a
entertaining.
different side to him. Like at
So what is the
the
difference?
first
side?
night off, the first holiday, and he's like, "Yaar, Fawad, aja, we're just going to the
Holiday, that's
80s."
बोल रहा है कोई national holiday.
मतलब holiday on set, like the off day, next off day. We called him, Shakun, me, I called him to the 80s room and everything, 80s the hotel. And dhire, when
See, you have to understand very carefully. The Stars Hotel and the
no,
80s Hotel.
because we didn't get place in their hotel.
I see.
We
Yeah,
would
but you
love
have to
to stay
understand
where
very
they were.
carefully
But hello,
that the
you
cruise
can't
hotel
say
is a
he
better
wanted to
hotel.
go
We wanted to go
No
there.
need for explanation.
We have
Yeah,
gone
okay.
there. 80s are the cooler places.
The
So bro
80s
has
होता है।
warmed up and we have created a monster. But उसके बाद इसने 5 बजे से 6 बजे तक सोने नहीं दिया. We've gone, Shakun's gone to
Is
his
he a
room.
gossipy queen? No.
No.
No, he's a party guy.
That's a party.
He's woken up Shakun from his sleep, not once but twice, and we've all barged in and poor Shakun tossed him out of bed and then partied with us till 6 in the
And
morning.
was-
all because of this man here on the
Was
first
the
night.
call time delayed after that?
He didn't come next day. He refuses also. That multiple disorder is...
Kapoor and Sons, lots of disorders on the set. But universally, people have sort of liked the program. Hello and welcome to Star Stop. You're with me, Salil, and I have the heartthrobs of the nation. Yes, he is one too. She, of course, is. And he's in the mature segment. Fawad Khan. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much for joining me. So many rings on your hand today.
3, 2.
3 rings, but Fawad, the quiet,
wearing anything.
reticent, but very fiery in the promo. You know, it's fantastic between the two of you. But I have to say, there's this, is this you always? Very quiet? Is this your Pakistani flair? Because I message your roles are Pakistan, we got the very powerful roles. So, how are you? Are you a quiet, shy kind of person? Or just with people who you don't know who are asking you questions about
I really
your
don't know myself. I think I have a multiple personality disorders.
Oh, I
something
thought
like
you
that.
were going to say, I think I'm a wonderful personality.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I was
Excuse
like,
me.
wow.
Yeah.
Multiple personality disorder. Let's ask somebody else if they think so. Alia, do you think he has a multiple personality disorder?
Well, I have a multiple personality disorder, so I don't see there's anything wrong if somebody else has.
So,
Really?
2 people who need a shrink. What about you?
Yeah, exactly. It was a very traumatic set, as you can see, with these 2 people who are different in different times.
What's so traumatic about-
Which is,
Yeah, so
you know,
far.
I'll tell you what, something. This is a very tricky scenario these days. if they like the promo too much, then they say, "अरे picture में लगता है कुछ नहीं है, सब कुछ promo में डाल दिया," right? The second thing, if the promo doesn't reveal too much, they say, obviously they're not promoting it enough because they don't think there's enough in the film. Now, both of you all are coming off tough films. Let's put it this way. I loved Brothers, and I think that both of you did a fantastic job. And I was rather shocked that it didn't do so well. You know, people have a very strange way of accepting things. You are coming off.
You don't have to say anything about loving or not. I understand.